You saw it? Beautiful.
I think you guys noticed there's a spaceship behind us, isn't there? That's really cool.
I'm not good at math, but I still want to be an astronaut.
You're going to come out and watch us fly into space someday on the rocket ship that your daddy built? We're going to launch this baby. We're going to recover it in the western U.S. We're going to bring it back, and we're going to lather, rinse, and repeat.
Yeah, beautiful spacecraft, beautiful day.
This is just amazing. I'm going to cry on launch day. I cried for paddleboard. I was able to be out there.
Cool? Do you want to ride in one day? We come down and see the work that's done. It's this attention to detail.
Say goodbye, but know it's going to come back.
I think the fact that it's going on a rocket today is really a huge step for us.